ब्रेस्तारा जाल्ले सीसीपीच्या बसकेत पणजे ओडीपी प्लॅना वेल्यान बरोच बोवाळ जालो। महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादोन ओडीपीत लोकांच्यो सुचोवण्यो जाय म्हण ब्रेस्तारा बसकेत मागले। मात भाजपाचे नगरसेवक म्हणटा सगळे शिजल्या उपरांत महापौर आता सुचोवण्यांची मागणी करता। भाजपाच्या नगरसेवकांनी बसका अर्धवट सांडली। आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली।
ODPच्या विशय ऑब्जेक्शन हाडूंक सोदता। नाव तेंची लोकल MLA इज वन ऑफ द मेंबर प्लस ताका स्पेशल इन्विटेशन दिल्ले आनी तो ते मिटिंगेक आपयलो ऑन द 15th of November तेन्ना मे म्हयन्यान खंय मिटींग जाल्ली तेन्ना ताका आपयलोलो आनी तेजे कडल्यान सगळे डिटेल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन विचारलेले। मागीर ताका कमिशनरान एक लेटर केलें फॉर सजेशन। तो म्हणटा आमकां घेवना म्हणून हितून कॉन्फिडन्स सांगपाक। मागीर ताका 31/5/16 सजेशनाक लेटर मागलेलें। मागीर सुरेंद्रान आपणान परत लेटर केलें थोडे रेक्टिफिकेशन करपाक ऑन 4/8/2016। मागीर परत कमिशनरान लेटर केलें 22/8/16। मागीर प्लॅन नोटिफाय केलो। प्लॅन नोटिफाय लेगून करतकूच 60 डेजांक आसतालो। तेणें कावन्सिलाक एक दीस लेगून हाडूंक ना न्हू कावन्सिलरांक कोणाकूच सांगूना सजेशन ऑब्जेक्शन्स कितें आहा काय म्हणून। आतां सगळे शिस्तकूच तो ऑब्जेक्शनाक घालूंक सोदता। आपले जे सजेशन आनी कितें आहा तें तेणें आनी तेजे बायलेन घातलें लेटर तें आमकां लेटर लेगून आसा ही सगळी आनी आतां तो ऑब्जेक्शन घालूंक सोदता ODP कॅन्सल करपाक। इज इट पॉसिबल?
आज मरे तेणी घाईन सुद्दां हे एजेंडा दिल्या। हे बायलॉज सपोज टू बी द इम्पॉर्टंट डॉक्युमेंट ऑफ अ CCP आमी आतां पास करून धाडटा। सी द पॉयंट नंबर बायलॉज 30 आनी 31 हितूंतले डिफरन्स कितें? सेम फक्त खंय तरी कोणी तरी कट केला कोणी तरी पेस्ट केला कितें तरी केला आनी आमी फाल्यां कशें आसना मरे तूं हें जर लोकांक वचत जाल्यार पणजेचे लोक आमकां विचारतले ते न्हिदल्या बरोबर तुमी कितें करताले रे काय म्हणून। आमी आसा हेंचेर लक्ष दिवपाक हितून कांयच ना। कितें तरी पेस्ट केल्या कितें तरी हें हाडल्या पास करता। आमकां रीड करपाक सुद्दां मेळोंक ना। स्टाफ रिक्रुटमेंट रुल्स आसता तितून भितर इलेक्टेड पॉलिसो चेअरमॅन आसूंकूच शकना। नो वे
where member secretary Mr. Pandita and MD GSRTC Sanjit Rodriguez were there. There were clashes among them. I gave my views. There were arguments. The meeting was inconclusive. They said we'll call for a meeting again. I suggested that Anil Kondo is there, Victor Albuquerque is there, so many other people there. Put them in the committee. He said yes, but nothing was done. These BJP people are very good in making advertise. Got a point? I have not taken anything from ODP, so I can talk. It is not pick and choose. It has to be street-wise or area-wise. The people of Panjim will show them their place in coming election.
So you are not ratified it today?
We are not ratified it today. Because we are going to put hoardings in the market area, in the bus stop area, near the CCP building, telling the people of Panjim that this is ODP. You come and give your suggestions, whether you like 8 stories building in your vicinity or not. I don't understand why they're in a hurry.
That's why they left.
Yes, so because it is pinching them. The ODP thing is pinching them. And we have already taken a decision in the last meeting, and the press was also there, that any builder who is doing something with the town and country planning or the NGPDA can do so at his own risk. But when it comes here, we will not give construction licenses. Because first of all, we don't have the infrastructure, we don't have the proper roads, we don't have the proper drains, we don't have the garbage treatment plant. Santines Creek is dying for the last 60 years. We don't have a dumping site to dump dry leaf waste. We don't have a dumping site to dump mud. And these people want skyscrapers? For what? So people of Panjim should know who's behind this ODP and why they are fighting for ODP and why this opposition are making noise for ODP. When time comes, we will expose. Until the infrastructure is there, the Corporation City of Panjim will not allow more construction license. They can even go to court. Court will strike it down. Because statically we are not giving the licenses. Because we don't have the infrastructure. Let the government make the infrastructure. Let them make the smart city. Let them make the Amrut city. Now as far as Amrut which is come, they gave a one-page line, we want to do here, here, here. You think we are fools to just pass like that and give all our powers to the GSRTC? What are we here? To clean the, sweep the roads and clean the drains? It will, under my mayorship, I will never allow this thing to happen. I want the powers to come to the corporation and not to private organization of government of Goa. Everybody knows. See the state of the road of Mirabar Donapal. Can you go there? Can you go in a scooter there? These people are talking about GSRTC. Whatever GSRTC has done in Panjim is not for the citizens. They have